Welcome to the Indian Mom's Kitchen. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then please do so now and press the bell icon for notifications for all the new videos that I upload. If you have liked today's video, then please hit the like button and comment because your feedback is valuable to me. Also, share this video with your family and friends so that they too can make yummy food during these pandemic times. Stay safe and healthy. Warm regards from the Indian Mom's Kitchen. Today's video is a quick, easy and instant breakfast recipe. Today we are making Rava Set Dosas. These set dosas can be made ready in 10 minutes and it needs minimal ingredients which are easily available at home. So let's begin. In a blender, I've taken half a cup of grated coconut, quarter cup of curd or Dahi, 1.5 cups of Rava or Semolina, salt to taste, little water to grind, blend everything into a fine paste. I've transferred this mixture into another bowl and added a little more water to make the batter more thinner. The batter should be a flowing consistency but definitely not thin. To this I've added half a teaspoon of Eno fruit salt. Mix well and start making your set dosas immediately. I've poured a ladle full of batter onto a heated tawa and spread lightly as shown. Wait till the holes appear on high flame. Add a few drops of ghee. You can also use oil. Lower the flame once the holes have appeared and cover and cook till the dosa is done. Flip and cook for a minute or two on the other side too. The set dosas are ready. You can relish them with sambar or any type of chutney of your choice. It is advisable to eat it piping hot. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.